Favor.
Favor. To prefer one system, plan, way of doing something, etc. to another. For example, favor something.
Favorable. Making people have a good opinion of somebody or something. For example, she made a favorable impression on his parents.
Fear. The bad feeling that you have when you are in danger, or when a particular thing frightens you. For example, her eyes showed no fear.
Feedback.
Feedback. Advice, criticism or information about how good or useful something or somebody's work is. For example, customer or user feedback.
Fellow. Used to describe somebody who is the same as you in some way, or in the same situation. For example, fellow citizens/students.
Fight. To take part in a war or battle against an enemy. For example, soldiers trained to fight. Film. A series of moving pictures recorded with sound that tells a story, watched at a cinema, or on a television or other device. For example, let's stay in and watch a film.
Find. To discover somebody, something unexpectedly or by chance. For example, find somebody, something.
Finding.
Finding. Information that is discovered as the result of research into something. For example, our research findings indicate that pregnant women benefit from this treatment.
Finger. One of the 4 long thin parts that stick out from the hand, or 5, if the thumb is included. For example, she ran her fingers through her hair.
Firearm. A gun that can be carried. For example, the police were issued with firearms.
Fit. Healthy and strong, especially because you do regular physical exercise. For example, top athletes have to be very fit.